changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
This video I shot in one sweep, and I wanted to illustrate how it took you through the city, a Western culture area inside Clark, and the final segment here of this video is taking you on a ride in towards TARLAC, BAMBAN, and stay tuned and let's ride.
Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
All right, so I like the theme of that song, and changes will come, and the other thing is what won't kill you will make you stronger. You know, this might be the last ride for a long time, as far as I'm concerned. Like I said before, I got rid of the bike. This was my last ride, and it'd be a while before I'd be riding again. I had kind of made the decision to actually go and visit in Europe for a while, and we went. Now we're waiting for that change to happen before I decide to come back, and we will see how that will go. Today was a little overcast. Didn't rained earlier, but it's a nice day for a little ride. So, and as you know, we already moved. We decided to do that. That's kind of also part of the decision we have made. It makes Janice be able to be close to family in the event that I jump on a plane and get out of here for a while. So this road, anyway, takes you over and into BAMBAN, passing GOSHEN Resort and a few other places. Over my lifetime, I've been fortunate to be able to travel around the world. I've been visiting a lot of countries, and you know, the fact is that some of the work I've done has taken me around the world. One of the things I gotta say is that Philippines is probably one of my favorite. Right here, by the way, you have the GOSHEN Resort entrance. If you have never visited there, you should go, because it is very, very unique. It's a place where I don't know how to explain it, but extremely unique, and you know, you don't even know it's there, and it has a very, very nice little charm to it too. All right, so this is, we're back on MacArthur Highway, going south towards Mabalacat, Angeles City. If you look over to the left, you can see a little bit of the TABUN, Barangay TABUN, and the FIESTA community, and that is where we moved in. So the little trip here is coming to an end, and thank you for riding with me, and we will see. Don't miss out on our live feeds. We are going to stay live every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Entrance, by the way, to the TABUN, the Fiesta community. I actually enjoy living up here. It's a small little community, but it's fairly clean. Seems like they're taking care of it a little better than most other places around here, actually. So that's pretty cool. All right, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon again. God bless. Take care of your family, and everybody, you have a great day.